special secret project going on. We're gonna make something for Valentine's Day for Lisa. Don't say anything. Just kidding. We're gonna do a little bit of a craft, a little homemade craft, and I'm pretty excited about it. And join me for this.
Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yohos.
I'm taking my favorite place in the world and my favorite person in the world, and I'm making a craft. A few years ago at the cottage, we managed to bring home a few wood rounds. And now that we've got one that's nice and dry, I wanted to make a craft out of it for my partner in crime and all things DIY. The wood wasn't exactly smooth, so it needed a good sanding. And it's so cold outside, you guys. We've got this polar vortex still. I can't even get out there and do any woodworking because I'm going to freeze. It's all basement and dust collection for me. So I needed to find some kind of a stencil for some hearts. I decided to make one. Got some cardstock and found a nice little printout online of some hearts. Printed it out, traced them out, cut them out, good to go. Investigator going on, huh? Checking to see everything here? Huh? Trying to figure out what the heck's going on? Hi, Bubby. You a good boy? Oops, careful. Why are you so dusty? Hmm? What did that prove?
Destructive child.
Now we have to cut these hearts out. How are we going to do that? Well, I've got a scroll saw that is going to do the perfect job for this. But in order to use it, I need a hole in each heart. And the reason for that is once you have the hole, you feed your little scroll saw blade through it and hook it up. And then you're ready to cut the inside out. Got to tell you guys, this workbench that I'm using here, the work table, it's quite nostalgic for me. My dad built this for me when I was in a house on my own years back and didn't have a workshop. So he wanted to give me something that was portable, could be stored, and now it's part of my full-time workshop downstairs, and I'm on it all the time. I love it. All right, so a really quick rundown of what I'm doing here with the scroll saw, which was also from my dad. So thanks again, Pop. But the scroll saw has a very small blade on it, and it oscillates it up and down very quickly. The blade is very easily removable. Well, I say easily, but it did take me a little time to get it back and forth on there. But you take the blade out, you feed it through the hole of the item that you're looking to cut, reattach it, and you're good to go. I'm going to give you a little tip here. If you're using a scroll saw, go slow. Don't be fast about it. It is a fine, detailed machine that is designed to go slowly. So just take your time, practice a bit. If you've got one, you want to try it out first, give it a little test drive, and soon enough, you'll be almost as much as an expert as I hope to be one day. So now that I finished cutting out all the hearts, I had to sand them. I didn't have any sandpaper that was thin enough that would fit inside the hearts cleanly, so I had to cut some strips out. But after cutting strips of sandpaper, I ended up finding online a whole box of this stuff with a whole bunch of different grits. So of course I got that, and I'm going to link it below for you in our storefront, so you can try it out too. So we've got a finished product here, and we've also got a frame hook, and of course, we'll see how this goes over for Valentine's Day. What do you think? Should we give it to her now? Okay, let's go. Excuse me. Oh, Typey Typerton, hi. So I have a conundrum. We have a...
What is this conundrum,
well,
sir?
there's a holiday coming up.
My name is present.
Well, there's a holiday coming up. And I don't really see the point of giving you this present and video footage once the holiday's done.
Valentine's Day?
Valentine's Day!
Ooh,
would you like it now?
Wrapped it? Yeah.
All right, here
But
you
like,
go.
won't it ruin the surprise for Valentine's Day?
Well, this is the surprise for Valentine's Day.
Oh,
it's a little
so-
early.
Okay, did I just open it now?
Go for it. Don't shake it, don't twist it, don't turn it.
Can I bop it?
Don't twist it, don't bop it.
Oh my. I like your tape usage.
Packing tape's all I got in the basement.
Oh, a gooseneck phone holder.
Ooh.
Did you tape this box too?
No.
Oh my gosh.
Just pull it.
Oh. Ooh. Can I reuse the
Absolutely.
paper towel? Ah! Oh my gosh, is that ever cute? Ah! That's so cute. I love it. That's adorable. Oh, and you can even hang it up. Oh, it even has the date on it. What does that say? Oh my gosh, did you actually make this? That's adorable. Oh my gosh, is that ever smooth? That's from up at the cottage.
That's right.
That's what you want. Okay.
It's a combination of my favorite place and my favorite person.
Oh, that's adorable. That is actually really cute. I'm gonna hang that right now. Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Ah, that's
I love
awesome.
That. Thank you.
You're
That's
welcome.
so cute. I'm curious to see how you made it. I heard a lot of noise down there. That's awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day.
Thanks, early.
Woohoo!
Oh, are you excited? Don't touch my screen. If you guys enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, give us a little thumbs up, some comments. We love reading those comments. It types us up to make some more fun videos for you guys. So with that, thanks for watching. Bye.
This might work better. Back to the drawing board.